Now bringing in Chief Meteorologist Nick Bannin. So you're tracking storms tonight. We see the lightning.
Yeah, lightning has been intense in parts of Gillespie and Blanco counties. This is Blanco County. This is from our Covington Cellars camera there in High, where you don't have to wait more than 5 seconds between lightning strikes. So certainly lightning is a danger on its own. You don't need a severe storm for a storm to be dangerous when you have lightning like this. It is our last severe thunderstorm warning for now. I'll talk about why in a second. First, let me update you on the warning. National Weather Service has been shrinking the warning as the storm moves out of our viewing area and out of portions of Gillespie and Blanco County. But we still have a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Gillespie, southwestern Blanco County until 9:45. Large hail was our primary concern, but notice how the hail just dropped off in intensity as it left Gillespie County. Pretty impressive how much it is disintegrated as far as the hail threat. But we've had pictures from Stonewall of some significant, almost baseball-sized hail, and that's not the only spot. We've had some other damaging hail in other parts of the area. The reason I say we're not done yet is there is a cluster of severe storms moving from northwest to southeast and will soon be knocking on the door of the northern hill country. San Saba right here, Mason County right there, Llano County right there. And this storm cluster is moving very quickly and is expected to move through at least half of central Texas, getting rain and storms from this as it drops south and east through the night. It may weaken some, but the National Weather Service, just between our last updates, has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for San Saba and Mason counties out ahead of that next cluster of storms because they're pretty confident that at least those counties should expect some severe weather during the late evening and overnight hours. Here's the computer model of choice here tonight. It's picking up pretty well on the storms we've had so far. And then our next cluster of storms arriving in the northern hill country about 10, 11 o'clock. And then continuing to parade south and potentially southeast as we get through midnight and 1. Heavy rain, lightning, hail, damaging winds, all a possibility. Does look like the hill country will bear the brunt of this, but I do think at least some of the Austin metro will get some of the downpour storms and potential severe weather. And then notice we get through 5 in the morning and then it finally pulls away with clouds giving way to sunshine here tomorrow. So your forecast tonight, at least scattered storms, severe weather possible even after midnight. Overnight lows in the low 70s. Here's your day tomorrow, 97, becoming mostly sunny rather quickly. We'll be hot again, although the rain coverage today may actually lower the temperatures a little bit in some spots tomorrow. Hot and dry again Saturday, 96 Sunday, dry most of the day, but late in the day a rain and storm chance and a much higher chance of rain and storms on Monday. And then there's more opportunity for rain next week. Thinking 1 to 2 inches of rain, not including tonight's rain, west of 35. East of 35, a quarter inch to an inch of rainfall. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. Those amounts, by the way, I expect will trend up given the increasing confidence we have of the on and off wet weather. We do get a cold front later on Monday, knocks us out of the 90s into the 80s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.